Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you Begginers OLL or Look OLL. There are two steps in Look OLL. So the first step is to orient all the edges, and after that you should have the whole side done. First let's learn how to orient the edges. So there are three cases you could get and three algorithms you should learn to orient the edges. So the first case is like this. A line you get. For this you have to do a simple algorithm like this. F R U R prime U prime F prime, and all the edges will be oriented. So this is another case you could get while orienting all the edges. This is an L shape. For this you have to do the exact same algorithm like before, but just at the starting and ending you have to do two layers at the same time, like two layers F R U R prime U prime, two layers F prime, and then all the edges will be oriented. The third and the last case you could get while orienting all the edges is a dot. For this algorithm is just a combination of the first and the second algorithm. This goes like this. First you did the first algorithm I told you for the line like that is F R U R prime U prime F prime, and then you get like this L, and then you should do the second algorithm I told you, which is double layer F R U R prime U prime double layer F prime, and then all the edges will be oriented. So after completing the first step, the second and the last step is to complete the OLL. So in here there are 7 cases you can get. So this is one of the steps. You tilt it like this, and if you find no yellow sticker is facing you, then you tilt it one more time, and if you find one here facing you, then this is the correct way of holding it, and this is called the soon. For this you just have to do this algorithm. R U R prime U R U2 R prime, and you completed the OLL. Another case you could get is when you get only one corner solved, and if you tilt it like this and you find like this one, this yellow is facing you, then this is called the anti-soon. You just have to do that same algorithm before I told you, but this time on the left side. So it will go like this: L prime U prime L U prime L prime U2 L, and then you completed the OLL. So another case you could get is when there are no corners solved and you have two corners facing like this and two corners facing like this. Then this is an easy algorithm you can do. It's just F, then R U R prime U prime, and you just repeat that step 2 more times. R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime, and then F prime, and then you solve the OLL. Another case you can get is when there is a cross and no yellow stickers are facing at the top, and two yellow stickers are facing at you and two are on the back facing against each other like this. Then you simply have one yellow sticker facing at you on the right and do this simple algorithm, which is just a combination of R and U moves. This R U2 R2 U prime R2 U prime R2 U2 R, and then you solve the OLL. So another case you could get is when two corners are solved and they are diagonal from each other. So have one yellow sticker facing at you and do this algorithm: F prime double layer R U R prime U prime double layer R prime F and R, and then you solve the OLL. So another case you can get is when two corners are solved and they are next to each other. Then you can get two cases. if the two unsolved corners are facing against each other again like this only, then you simply put one of that on the left side and simply just do this algorithm. Double layer R, U, R prime, U prime, double layer R prime, F, R, F prime, and then you solve the OLL. Last case you can get when solving the OLL is when two corners are solved and the other two corners are facing at the same direction like this. Then you simply make the two corners that are not solved facing at you, and then you do this algorithm. R2, D, R prime, U2, R, D prime, R prime, U2, R prime, and then you solve the OLL. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.